morning, everyone. Welcome back to True Telos Trading. It is just over 3 a.m. We are up pretty early. We got another A quality stock that we traded today. Let's go ahead and get into that trade. We traded this morning was XPON. Today's date is August 14th, 2025. The stock did not have breaking news this morning. It had news yesterday, so this will be a 1. The stock was below 10 million shares. It was about 4.2 million shares. This will be a 2. The stock's 200 MA was about $1.50, and when we traded it this morning, it was up there at $2.50, so this will be a 2. It was up over, I do believe, 70% at the time that we traded it. It's currently up 137% at 3:40 in the morning, which is absolutely crazy. So this would be a 2 or 1. The price is under $10. This will be a 1. Like I said, it was $2.56 when we bought it. And it was the number one stock in the market at that 1 o'clock in the morning or 3 o'clock in the morning. So this would be a 1 as well. It did not reach all-time high, so this would be a 0. That gives us a score of 8. And according to our True Telos grading scale, 8 is an A quality stock. Let's go ahead and get into that chart to see how we traded it. This is our stock here, XPON. We're looking at the 1-minute chart, the chart that I traded it off of. It popped up in this area about, let's check the time, about like 3:05, 3:06 in the morning. And this gave us our high of day, the high of day being 275. Again, with this being in an A quality stock, I'm looking to implement one of my strategies to see if I can capitalize on some of this movement. Yesterday, I was a bit excited coming into trading today because yesterday we had a stock go up over 500%. So that's like kind of telling me that the cold streak is about to be over when it comes to the movement in the market as far as it comes to volume. I do believe I mentioned yesterday that because of the low volume I've been seeing in the market, I can't make as big of a profit, but seeing that big move happen yesterday on the stock made me believe that that cold streak is going to be over here pretty soon, and soon the market is going to be moving pretty good again. I chose to wake up this morning at 3 a.m. because I did a little bit of backtracking, and I realized a lot of the stocks that I traded had made bigger moves at market open at that 3 a.m. Central Standard Time for me. So I decided to wake up and see if I could capitalize on some of that movement. And today was a pretty decent day. So let me continue with our trade. So it made this big move here at 3:07, 3:06 a.m. with a high on this candle of 275. So I already started looking at it since it was our number one gainer on the day at that point. It retraced here for about 5 minutes. When I saw this volume come in here at about 3:12, I purchased shares at about $2.56. So close to right here, $2.56, because I was looking to test that high of day. But I was a little bit nervous. I'm not going to lie to you. I was a little bit nervous when I bought. What time did I buy? I bought at 3:12. Well, actually about 3:13. So close to here at 56. I bought right here in this candle. And I was looking for that retest of high of day. And as you see, it went straight up to it. But I exited my position as soon as this candle here with the topping tail started forming. This topping tail got all the way up to 285, but I exited my position at 263. So I was premature when I exited that position, and I did so because I was a little bit afraid. I was afraid because this is the first time in a long time that I've waken up at 3 a.m. to trade the market. Even though the strategy was successful, my nerve prevented me from sticking to the exit strategy, and it kind of capped my profit. So I got out of that trade at, like I said, 263 with 488 shares. They gave me a profit today of $34.06. I don't know if I want to keep on waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning to capitalize. Just like I said, I still am able to trade those markets at that 5:30, but we will see how the rest of today goes. If we keep on seeing these stocks pop up, 100, 200, 300 to 500%, we might have to wake up a little bit earlier to try to capitalize on those early movements. So again, as you see, the stock went all the way up here. This is only 3:40 in the morning, so it got over 140% on the stock at 3:40 in the morning, which is absolutely crazy. Uh, we got our little profit. We got our slice of the pie. As I said before in like the first video, I'm not looking for the entire pie. I'm just looking for a piece of it. But we will do our best to stick to our strategies and our exit indicators for this next time we get into trades like this. And that is true Telos trading. Another green day on day 19. It is right now 4:09 a.m. I am still tired. It's early in the morning. We woke up to see if we could capitalize on the market to see those big moves, and we saw a big move happen this morning on XPON. Went up to, right now it's at 130%. So this might be something that we have to do. Wake up early to see these big market moves on early news or news from yesterday. We were seeing a lot of volatility in the market, a lot of volume coming in, a lot of traders trading this early. So this might have to be something that we do for a second. We will see. I will see you guys tomorrow early in the morning. I hope you like this content. If you do, please like and subscribe, and welcome to True Telos Trading.